Hello, it's been a busy day. This is towards the end. I got to do a little bit of staining on this 420. Such a gorgeous day. Still is. I got my ends of my boards that'll hold the barn doors, the ones that slide. I got them trimmed off and shaped so they match the curve. They have the same kind of arc feel as the rest of the structure. They're long 16 footers. Really nice. Took a lot of digging through the piles to get these two. Also got all the plywood for the rest of the inside trimmed up, cut, and ready to install. Except for the trim boards on the bottom. I got to get the edges stained that I trimmed, and then I'm going to get these stained, and that'll be a day. It's been a great day. Looking on the bright side, I hope you are as well. Take care. Stay safe.